Hey guys, my name is Jamin. Thanks for visiting my channel. In this video, I'm working on an HP Chromebook 11G3. I'm going to show you how to get inside and access your battery. So the first thing you want to do is shut the computer down correctly, make sure it's unplugged. We're going to flip it over and we're going to access these screws on it. So there are screws here on the left. You got this one in the bottom corner, this one top corner, this one on the side, two screws here along the bottom, one screw in the corner down here on the right, two screws near the top right corner here, one in the top middle. Now, as you see here, I also removed the rubber feet over here because they hid two screws under those rubber feet. So you want to make sure you get those as well. Once all those screws are out, you can take a small pry tool and go around the circumference of the computer, prying the bottom case off of the palm rest. If you guys need any help with any tools or supplies for your computer projects, check out the link above. Also below in the description, it'll be to my Amazon store. You can see a lot of the tools and things I use in my shop there. When you're taking off the palm rest, guys, once you get it loose, don't just rip it off, because as you can see, there's two ribbon cables connected to the motherboard from your palm rest. You have your touchpad assembly ribbon cable, this skinny one here, and then you have your keyboard ribbon cable going here. So you can't just rip that off. You have to take it out of these clips in the motherboard here. So I'll get a different angle and I'll show you exactly how you can take those out. So this large one right here in the middle, this black clip, and then this small one here, those are the clips you're looking at. And the way you remove those ribbon cables is this is a white port on the motherboard. They're both the same way. And then a black retainer clip inside that port. That black retainer clip opens kind of like a book cover. So it opens up to release that ribbon cable and then closes to secure the ribbon cable. So what you want to do is you want to take your small flat pry tool and slide it in here from the bottom nice and gently. These things are super breakable, and if you break them, you probably can't find a replacement. So slide it in there very carefully and gently pop that black clip up, and that's how you remove the ribbon cable. So once you get those ribbon cables removed, guys, then you can remove this palm rest safely. And then I always pop those black clips back down so they don't get caught on anything if I'm going further into the computer. The battery you need is right here, and it's plugged into the motherboard right here in the middle next to that keyboard port right there. So instead of pulling on those wires, sometimes when you do that, you can damage them and pull them right out of the plug. So to get that out of the motherboard, you would put your fingernails on either side of that plug, or a pry tool, or a pair of pliers, whatever you use, but you pry that white plug out of there. And that's how you'd unplug it from your motherboard. If you're looking to physically remove the entire battery, you would go around and get these screws. You get that one there, that one, a couple in the middle, one over here, a couple over there. That's how you would get that battery out. And for those of you looking for a replacement, there's a couple ways you can do it, guys. This is an 11.4 volt, 37 watt hour battery, as you can see down here. And this is the part number or the model number for this battery, the PE03XL. So you can search for that for a battery replacement, or you can also use this HP part number here. This is what HP part numbers look like. It's got 6 digits dash 3 digits. So your HP part number is 767-068-005. That's your part number. So hope this was helpful. Hope it lets you get your battery out. If you have any questions, guys, check out the FAQs below in the description. If you need to leave me a question or comment, please feel free. I try to answer those all the time. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll leave you now with a quick word from my affiliate partner, a great place to get games, Humble Bundle. At Humble, guys, you can get the latest games at great prices. They also have great ways to save when you're buying. You can bundle your games together in a purchase instead of buying them one at a time. You can also join Humble Choice, which is a monthly subscription service that gets you free games every month. And you can also feel good about your purchases because Humble has donated a ton of money to charity. And every time you pay your Humble Choice membership, every time you use my link, charity gets more. So it's a great website, guys, great place to get games. Check it out with the link above. I'll also have the link below in my description.